Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Aquasure filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the purity and taste of your drinking water, ensuring that every glass you pour is free from contaminants and impurities. As a dedicated reviewer of home appliances and water purification systems, I've spent countless hours testing and comparing various filter options to bring you the most informed recommendations, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a particular Aquasure filter stand out from the crowd, examining its performance, longevity, and overall value proposition for your household. Number 5. AQUACREST FXHTC Sediment and Carbon Water Filter. Experience advanced water purification with our 5-stage filtration system. It effectively removes impurities down to 5 microns, ensuring cleaner water for your home. This filter tackles common contaminants like chlorine, sediment, and rust. Enjoy improved taste and odor, making your water more refreshing. Don't sacrifice water pressure. Our filter provides a rapid 4 GPM flow rate, perfect for simultaneous use throughout your household. Enjoy up to 30,000 gallons of filtered water. This means 3 to 6 months of reliable filtration, depending on your water usage. Replacing your filter is a breeze. Simply twist off the old one, install the new, and you're done in minutes. This filter safeguards your plumbing and appliances from sediment buildup. It's suitable for both well water and municipal systems. What we like? This filter offers an enhanced 5-stage filtration with 5 micron accuracy, ensuring comprehensive removal of impurities. It also boasts a rapid 4 GPM flow rate, maintaining strong water pressure even with simultaneous household use. If you have a busy household with multiple water needs at once, or if you're looking for a robust whole-house solution that doesn't compromise on pressure, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Aquasure filter replacement is designed to effectively remove impurities from your water, ensuring a cleaner and healthier drinking experience. This filter replacement features a multi-stage filtration process that targets a wide range of contaminants, including chlorine, lead, and sediment. Users have reported that the Aquasure filter replacement is easy to install and fits seamlessly into compatible filter housings, making maintenance hassle-free. Number 4. Aquaboon Whole House Sediment Water Filter Replacement. Experience superior filtration with our string wound water filter. This 10-inch cartridge captures even finer particles of rust and dirt thanks to its innovative winding density. Our whole house filter seamlessly integrates with your existing system. This 5-micron filter is universally compatible with various water filter setups. This replacement features enhanced dirt holding capacity, meaning fewer changes. Its graded density traps more debris, extending its lifespan. With an optimized design, this cartridge works harder and lasts longer. Enjoy up to 6 months of effective sediment removal, depending on your water quality. Eliminate unpleasant tastes and odors with our string wound filter cartridges. Enjoy every drop from your system without worrying about contaminants. What we like? Experience crystal clear water with its unique string wound design and enhanced dirt holding capacity for longer life. It effectively eliminates unpleasant tastes and odors, providing pure taste. If you are particularly sensitive to taste and odor in your water, or if you're looking for a filter that lasts longer by trapping more debris, this option is ideal for well water systems or general whole house use. What people say. The filter replacement is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, improving the taste of the water. The filter lasts for a long time, providing clean water for months. Number 3. AQUACREST AP431 Whole House Scale Inhibitor. This replacement cartridge is designed to protect your water appliances. It effectively prevents limescale and corrosion buildup, extending the life of your heaters and dishwashers. Our advanced filter material uses premium polyphosphates to inhibit limescale and corrosion. This prevents blockages in your pipelines and keeps your water system running smoothly. Constructed with food-grade, BPA-free plastic, it ensures safe water usage. The precise design guarantees a secure fit, preventing any leaks for your peace of mind. Enjoy stable, continuous filtered water throughout your home. With a flow rate of up to 10 gallons per minute, it meets the water demands of your entire household. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the inhibitor every 6 months. This ensures effective scale inhibition, though the exact timing may vary with your water conditions. This cartridge is a direct replacement for several models, including 3M AquaPure AP431, HF8S, and Clean Water KW431. It's also interchangeable with AP430 and AP430SS systems. What we like. This filter acts as a scale inhibitor, using polyphosphates to effectively prevent limescale and corrosion buildup in your pipelines and water appliances. It's designed to protect and extend the service life of your water heaters and dishwashers. If you are experiencing hard water issues, notice scale buildup on your fixtures, or want to proactively protect your expensive water-using appliances, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The Aquasure filter replacement is designed for easy installation, fitting seamlessly into existing systems. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, significantly improving water taste and odor. The filter has a long lifespan, providing clean water for an extended period before needing replacement. Number 2. AQUACREST 4125 Shower Filter Replacement. Experience superior water purification with our advanced 4-stage filtration system. It effectively reduces chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants for cleaner, safer water. Our filter is designed to significantly reduce substances like PFAS, chlorine, and sulfur odor. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your water is purified. Enjoy a consistent and strong water flow during your shower. This ensures a comfortable and invigorating experience every time you use it. By blocking harmful impurities, it helps keep your hair and skin healthy and glossy. Say goodbye to dryness and damage from shower water. This filter provides up to 6 months or 10,000 gallons of fresh water. Enjoy extended use and fewer replacements, depending on your water conditions. It is designed to be compatible with various AQUA AQ4125 and AQ4100 models, as well as the Jonathan Product Beauty Shower Filter System. What we like. This is a 4-stage shower filter specifically designed to reduce contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and sulfur odor, leading to cleaner and safer shower water. It helps keep your hair and skin healthy and glossy by blocking harmful impurities. If you're looking to improve your shower experience, combat dry skin or brittle hair caused by shower water, or want to reduce exposure to shower contaminants, this filter is tailored for you. What people say. The filter replacement works great and is easy to install. This filter replacement effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The water tastes much better after using this filter replacement. Number 1. Aquasure Fortitude 25 Micron Sediment plus GAC Carbon Mesh Whole House Replacement Water Filter. This filter combines sediment and activated carbon filtration. It effectively traps large particles on the outside and absorbs impurities in its core. Its unique design maximizes filtration capacity, providing up to 100,000 gallons of clean water before needing replacement. Enjoy healthier, cleaner, and safer water for all your household needs, from drinking to showering. By removing harsh chemicals like chlorine, it helps prevent dry skin and brittle hair caused by your water. The radial flow design ensures maximum contact time with the water, optimizing its purification capabilities. Designed to fit standard 20x 4.5 filter housings, making replacement simple and convenient. What we like. This dual-purpose filter combines sediment and GAC carbon filtration, trapping large particles on the outer layer and absorbing chlorine, taste, and odor in its carbon core. It boasts an impressive capacity of up to 100,000 gallons thanks to its radial flow technology, maximizing contact time. If you're seeking a long-lasting, high-capacity whole-house filter that effectively tackles both sediment and chemical contaminants, and you prefer a filter with a larger form factor, 20x 4.5, this is a strong contender. What people say. The filter replacement is easy to install and fits perfectly with the Aquasure filter system. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, resulting in cleaner and better-tasting water. The filter has a long lifespan, providing consistent performance for several months before needing replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.